Hello everyone and welcome back to chapter 5, and then today we're going to continue with 5e. So we're going to do the equations of straight lines. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to find the x and y, actually y intercepts, and also slope of the straight line equation. And also we're going to use some formula to find the slope of the straight line. The first thing first, we can say during the questions, the formula to find the slope line, we need 2 points. And remember the last video we called about right and wrong. So this is very important thing to understand. So we know the 2 points, and we know the rise is y2 minus y1. What's the y2 means? That means the point B y value. Y1 means point A y value. And then we're using those two, the subtracting, and then divided by the bx value and a1 value as well. So that's why we have a slope which is called gradient, can equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. For example, we're giving you guys the 2 points is 1, 7 and 4, 2. So the first thing first, we could start as x1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 7, and x2 equal to 4, and y2 equal to 2. So the slope equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, which means 2 minus 7 over 4 minus 1. And then that equal to 2 minus 7 equal to minus 5 divided by 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So this is negative 5 over 3. If I change to decimal place, that equal to negative 1.67. Yep, so perfect. So if you want to say the graph will be looks like that. So y2 minus y1, as always we know is gonna be, so x, that's y, and then the first one will be 1, 7, so which is on here, and second one will be 4, 2, so which is on here, and then we draw the straight line like that. Yeah, and the straight line always gonna be passed through the points, just make sure. Perfect. And then now I'm gonna introduce you guys the intercept of slope from the equation. So first thing first, we know the straight line form will be looks like a plus bx. So we call a plus bx is intercept form. Intercept form. So what's the intercept form means? The first thing first, a is representing y-intercept, which means when x equal to 0, we can say b times 0 equal to 0, and then which is 0 plus a equal to y. So that means when x equal to 0, we substitution the point, and that point will be y-intercept. And the b are representing gradient, or we call slope of the graph. So I want you guys to put this all yellow page. You can post and then upload to your reference book and then beyond reference. So it's very, very good understanding about straight line equation looks like. Now I'm going to show you something to define the y-intercept. So for example, the first one, if y equal to negative 6 plus 9x, so that means my y-intercept will be when x equal to 0. So which is y equal to negative 6 plus 0 equal to negative 6. And then my slope equal to 9. Okay, just remember, the number in front of x is the slope. Now I'm going to do c. So y equal to negative 2x. That means when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So that means this one is your y-intercept. And your slope will equal to negative 2. So, and B and D we're going to do during the class. And then we make sure you guys understand what is going on with your slope, with your y-intercept. And now what we do is find the equation and with y-intercept and slope. Let me do B, okay? So B, question B. Y-intercept is 2, so we say y equal to 2, and slope equal to negative 5, so we say minus 5x. So this is how you reversing to the opposite way to find out your equation. And question C, if y-intercept is negative 3, so say y equal to negative 3, and then plus 2x. That's it. Hopefully that all makes sense. And we're gonna sketching this graph now. Remember, if you know the 2 points, you can graphing the line. So sketching this graph, the first one, y-intercept. When x equal to 0, that's your first point. That's your first point. So we graphing this one, the first thing first, we need to know the y-intercept. And then y equal to 8. So that means first point, 0, 8. Perfect. And then second point, I could substitution when x equal to 1. So I'm just name the x equal to 1. So y equal to 8 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So that equal to 8 plus 2, that equal to 10. So the second point will be 1, 10. That's it. Now we're graphing. The first thing first, we're drawing a set label of the axis. So which is, start again. So we're going, first thing first, that's a y value. And then that's x value. Perfect. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's okay. And then now the first one, I mark the 2 points with the coordinates. And secondly, we mark this one as 8, and that's a 10. Okay, so just be aware. All right, now what we do is the first point, 0, 8. Second point, 1 and 10. We mark it, good job. And then we connect those 2 points. And make sure, going a little bit further, yeah, that's it. So this is our straight line, looks like, and that called y equal to 8 plus 2x. So label the line and equation. This is how you done the sketching the graph. And in next chapter, which is in next video, I'm gonna showing you guys how to find the equation with straight line graph, and also we're gonna name the all the x and y intercept. Hopefully that all makes sense today, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and see you guys next time.